هيهات هيهات لما توعدون إن هي إلا حياتنا الدنيا نموت ونحيا وما نحن بمبعوثين.
Alright guys, we're at Cake Bistro or Happy Cake. We're about to go try out some food. I saw on TikTok one of their the plates. It was like this popcorn, French toast. It looked so appealing. I don't know if it's gonna live up to the hype, but I definitely have to try it. And overall, the ambiance here is just beautiful, but let's try it. All right, so the food has arrived and it is looking amazing. So we have over here tres leches pancakes, and we got hot chocolate over here. We got this blue martin over here. Looks splendid for real. But I'm about to dig in, guys, and we'll see. All right, YouTube, honestly, not the best. Not the best. Did not live up to the hype. It was good at the beginning, but the hot chocolate was just horrible. I don't know how can you make hot chocolate bad, honestly, but it wasn't the best. So I'm going to work right now. I'm so layered up. I got my Artrex beanie. Man, shout out to Artrex, one of my favorite brands when it comes to head caps or beanies, whatever you call this. But this is amazing right here, though. Look at the Bronx right now, guys. Oh my God. Look at my feet, man. We're gonna get to it though. YouTube, we made it on the bus. But yo, oh my God. I can't even talk. The snow, the inches are like damn near to my knees. Almost to my knees. Yo. What is going on? Oh my God. And then I tried to run, because I don't want to miss the bus. But like I just kept, it was harder and harder for me to breathe. Just stay home if you can. This is one for the books. Alright YouTube, we are here at Pho Hoang, I don't know how you pronounce it, but last time what I had here was the beef pho. Amazing. I think I'm probably gonna get that again, but like I want it spicy this time. Like, everything spicy tastes way better. But yeah, this is in Queens, Flushing. If you want to stop by, go ahead. But man, I'm hungry. Let's eat. Of course, before we eat, Bismillah. Flavor, texture, quality, just a good amount of salt, just a good amount of everything. Pho is the best. Bismillah. Amazing. You gotta add the lime though too. Lime makes it even more tangier. Or, you know what I'm talking about. It's the beauty of Chinatown, the beauty of New York. I'm an African from Guinea eating Chinese pho in Queens, one of the most diverse boroughs in NYC. It doesn't get better than that. It does not get better than that. Alright YouTube, it is time to pray, and we're going to one of my favorite mosques in the Queens, Abu Bakr as-Siddiq. I've recorded it many times in my other videos before, And let's go pray though. Wherever you at, man, salah comes first, prayer comes first. Don't let nobody stop you at all, because when you die, you gonna die. So we out.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. قال إني عبد الله آتاني الكتاب وجعلني نبيا وجعلني مباركا أينما كنت وأوصاني بالصلاة والزكاة ما دمت حيا.
Alright, YouTube, Assalamu alaikum. Right now with my guys. We're all about to have a good, clean, simple workout. With my guy Salim, head coach of his high school basketball team, but he about to put us through a tough workout. And let's get to it.
5 is 5, but when you get here, remember it's 5 in hand.
Five in hand?
It's just regular, it's just the same thing. Oh, just one elevator?
Yeah. So really gassed. Gassed. Yeah, Kareem. Yeah, bumper, come on, up. Great, yes sir. He pumped. I swear. And I got a hoodie on, guys. I'm burning right now. Pause.
Think about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 125. There you go.
That was light. Easy.
I was going to do 100, but it's mad I say so. You
see how we doing 125?
Yes, sir.
And variation. So think about it, the mind gets bored quick.
Facts.
The mind gets bored quick.
You need to do this every time.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
You run up different muscles.
Where you at, bro?
Yeah.
Bro, when we was doing that thousand burpees, that shit was so boring. Told you, bro. And now I'm gonna do that shit. Stop that. That one the hard one.
We at number 3 right now, right?
Yes.
I mean, push.
Ooh. I'm tired, yeah. Nah, I'm playing. Come on.
No, I ain't been to jail.
Alhamdulillah.
Oh, who fought it? Money you nasty.
Yo, I had to take off the shirt. I mean the hoodie. I had to take off the hoodie. Right now I'm burning, and that's only the warm-up. That's only the warm-up.
Nah, the sun is the light.
Alright, spot 1.
Man, this one's a killer.
Okay, that's station number 1. Station number 2, you're gonna grab whatever dumbbell you want. Whatever dummy, whatever weight, we just use this for demonstrating purposes. Alright, and it's just here. Got it? Everything is for 45 to a minute. Alright, station number 2. Alright, is this. Station number 2 is right here. You're gonna hate this one.
Oh, man.
That's station number 3. So now, 1, 2, 3. That's station number 3. 4 is right here. 4 is right here. You go put whatever you want on a bar. Whatever you want on a bar. Now, if you want to get dangerous, or you want to get nasty, you know, spice that thing up, right? You can put the joint behind your back, lay down, and go weighted. Okay. With resistance.
Okay.
Oh, with it was just I see what you mean.
You get what I'm trying to say? All right, so you can do that.
So-
That's number 4.
It's just gonna be this alone.
No, it's not. You're gonna put a weight on it.
Oh, it's not. That's less resistant.
Yes. So go light because the resistance is gonna add.
It's gonna add, yeah.
So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is here.
5.
5 is you can grab one of these. Actually, 5 is one of those. I forgot that was in here. One of those plates. All right, and you're going here. You just going here, right? This is the position, right? Touch, pop.
Okay.
The blade.
Okay, some
plate,
core
pop.
workout.
Core.
All right.
You don't need to do a crazy weight. Core. Don't go crazy weight, but go enough to push yourself. All right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5, correct?
Yeah.
How many of us is in here?
6.
6. We're gonna have one more station.
All right, bet.
This station is here. This station is there's no legs, full body. You're gonna add a different type of legs, and now it's with the weight.
Nice.
1, you're gonna stay in the pocket, like my man Troy Archer. You gotta stay in the pocket.
Keeping that
Right? Keep it in the pocket, so it's here in the pocket. Pop, in the pocket, right? Then you go 30 seconds, right? Pocket, in the pocket, so you're filling that hole in your quads. All right? That's number
bet.
6. We live.
Yeah, it's recording. It's recording. It's recording. It's recording. It's recording. Oh my God.